Hello, good afternoon. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bramantio Andi Prasetyo. My student number is 190710118. This time, I will present the result of my work on IoT in healthcare. Internet of Things. Nowadays, the main communication form of the internet is human-human, but is it foreseeable that any object will have a unique way of identification and can be addressed so that every object can be conceived? The internet will become the Internet of Things. The communicate form will expand from human-human to human-human. Human things and thing also called M2M. What IoT means is that everyday object, ones that we interact with regularly, will be capable of talking to each other. Human will fall more and more out of the loop. Machine will be talking to machine, object talking to object. This will bring a new ubiquitous ubiquitous computing and communication era and change people's life extremely. The Internet of Things (IoT) is a dynamic global information network consisting of internet-connected objects such as radio frequency identification sensor actuators, as well as other instruments and smart applications that becoming an integral component of the future internet. Development of IoT. The development of IoT has spread to various fields, including in the health sector. This year, the realization of IoT the health sector in increasing. For example, an auto home accessory, many ordinary people have experienced the extraordinary transformation of various products such as the Apple Watch or Fitbit, which are wearable products. The emergence of the wearable then gave rise to many other things that have been equipped with similar technology. The presence of various kinds of objects is very effective and has been proven. Well, the role of the Internet of Things in health sector itself is to detect patients who may experience seizure, tremors, or experience falls. Role of IoT. The role of IoT, the role of the Internet of Things in healthcare. The role of the Internet of Things in the health sector extraordinary. First, from a medical point of view, you can remotely monitor someone. The presence of wearable holds promise in treating patients remotely. Patients who do not do hospitalization also become more comfortable. Continue to mechatronics thesis title ideal. In addition, doctor will have more data to examine patients. In 2018, there have been more than 5 million wearable and mobile health sensors that have been designed for health purposes. Meanwhile, there is also remote patient, which will be a revolution in the way patients are treated. Remote patient monitoring technology is one of the right methods in reducing health costs. In addition, the chance of patients' health will be future increase. For example, when the doctor has found the vital sign of a patient who has heart disease. He will immediately reduce to need an emergency room. A doctor can also track the patient health status home. Consulting doctor and patient also be done more easily using video call technology. 3 examples of IoT. Number 1, home auto accessory health studies in United States show ear infection have made children come to the doctor more often than complain of other diseases. And about 80% of children will at least have an ear infection by the time they are 3 years old. An accessory called Autohome can now be used like an otoscope, a device that doctors use to see inside a patient's ear. This accessory might be shell-shocked, can be used by parents at home by attaching into the iPhone camera. After capturing a video of the state the children's ear canal, the video can be sent to the doctor by email. With a permitted fee, the doctor then diagnoses and prescribes drug. Number 2, wearables in terms of medical personnel. The presence of wearable is certainly very promising because it can monitoring our patients remotely, as well as in patient more comfortable, as well as being able to provide more data for doctor transparency. Market research at the end of last year had predicted that in 2018, more than 5 million wearables and mobile health sensors will be used for health purposes. While the remote patient trend is said to be a revolution in the way patients are treated. Technology to monitor patients remotely can make method important to reduce health costs and increase the likelihood of patient recovery. For example, a doctor who finds change in vital sign in a patient with heart disease can change medication before a more serious problem occurs. Therapy, reducing the need for emergency rooms. Doctor can also track the patient health status at home and conduct consultation via a video call connection. Number 3, in health sector, IoT also helps a lot. Many elderly patients need doctor monitoring, but the distance is far. As long as they have affordable and good enough communication tools and tools, then that can be used monitor their health. The difference between conventional health care and IoT health care is in conventional still less efficient when serving patients, and in IoT doctor can control patients by internet. How to use in sector? First, the hospital must have application to connect doctor and patient easily. Second, patient must have the internet connection. Patient can buy to control their condition. If there is something wrong with their condition, patient can call doctor by application. That's all for me. Thank you.